Hey guys, Glenn Murray. How are you? Hey, sorry, it's been a couple of days since I've been on here. It's been a crazy nut house. Actually, my 7-year-old got sick in the middle of the night last night, so it was pretty exciting since she sleeps on the top of the bunk bed above my 3-year-old. So, yeah, my wife and I were up all night and today and cleaning and yeah, crazy. Anyway, this video is not about this. This is how to make money online Canada 2023 step quick and easy method. Now, guys, everyone's talking about like drop shipping and Amazon FDA, and drop shipping people are panicking because there's nothing coming from China. It's like, well, they're trying to look for other places to go. Like, wow, do you want a business that can be affected like with global events, or do you want like a solid business that just continues to motor on kind of no matter what happens, even recessions? What's the opposite of reception, recession or boom or whatever. It doesn't matter, it just continues on. So if you like videos about making money online, make sure you hit subscribe and hit the notification button. And I'm going to get into my little 3-step method, and it's very simple, guys, and it's what a lot of affiliate marketer guys that are making money teach. But I think we don't teach it enough because there's so many people going out there and just saying, oh, you can just do this easy thing. And number one, it's not that easy. It's don't the work is really easy. The work that you have to do is quite simple. There's no hard labor. You can do it in a couple hours a day, depending on how fast you want to grow your business. But the important thing is understanding what you're doing. So what I think the most important or the best way to make money online is actually, especially in 2020, is with affiliate marketing, guys. Affiliate marketing basically trumps anything to do with markets or global things or anything, because people are always looking for to buy stuff online, right? Now you can say, well, what if the product's not there, Glenn? Well, I don't deal with physical products. Although I did just buy a brand new steam cleaner. I told you it was a mess. Um, and I actually bought it online at our local store because I wanted it today. I actually bought it online and I went and picked it up. But but really, I deal in digital products, and why digital products are so great is that people get that instant delivery. I don't know if you're like me, but a lot of times when I order something on Amazon, I hate waiting. I'm kind of like, right? I like stuff. I want to be able to buy something. I want it. I want it in the moment, right? And that's when most buyers are ready to go. When they buy, they want to have that information immediately. So if you're selling digital products, like information products, like let's say someone's like, they're like, I need to tie this special tie or the special fly for fishing, right? And you have a product that basically shows them how to tie that fly. Now, is that person, when they think, like, they go down how to tie this fly, and all of a sudden, boom, your website comes up and says, learn how to tie this fly and 29 others top fish catching flies for $9.95. Do you think that person's gonna buy? Yeah, that person's gonna buy. They're gonna be like, yeah, they're gonna put in their credit card information, and instantly they're going to get a PDF, a digital product of what they are buying. Right? They're gonna be like, wow, done. Right? Happy. They're happy. They get exactly what they want. Boom. Now, as an affiliate marketer, you could probably upsell them on something like, hey, you just bought our book for $9.95, but the real magic is in this magic reel like that sells for $200, but you can get it right now along with your book and we'll ship it to you for $50, right? And all of a sudden now I know it's not a digital product, but you're upselling them something that would go along with that. I'm using that because fishing would probably be some physical products, kind of like golf or fishing. A lot of times they like info products, and by selling them the info product, you can actually get into selling them a physical product. So what is the 3-step method? What is the 3-step method? And it's actually really, really easy, and so many people don't do this. The first step in making money online is to give information. That's the first thing. I'm giving you information right now. I haven't asked you to buy anything, right? You're watching this video, you're getting information from me, right? I haven't asked you to buy anything. There's been no offer. There's been no call to action. What I'm doing is I'm providing you information. Now, this is just one method of providing information. You could do it in a blog, right? Maybe you're not someone that wants to be on video. You could actually do it in an animated slideshow, a whiteboard with a computer voice. It doesn't matter, because if you're like, you wouldn't believe how many products that I've bought that have the training, and it's a training video, and there's just music going on in the background, and you're just following along the movements of what that person is doing, right? Like click here, click here, click here, add that, click here, but there's no talking. It's just music rolling in the background, so you're just able to visually watch. And then there's probably I think there's usually a PDF that goes along with it, so you can do it. You can do video without being on video, but you don't have to do video. Not everybody wants video. Some people love to some people want to read, some people want to do both, right? And this is why video is so great. You do the video, and then you can do a explanation underneath, and then you can take that same information and go over to your blog and do a blog, like a written form of it, and then put your video there. So it's the best of both worlds. You're kind of you're targeting a much wider product. So number one, first step is provide value. So when you're thinking about this, or provide content. So when you're thinking of this, like, you have to sit down and go, what am I going to sell? Right? You have to start somewhere. Like, pick one. Don't pick 10 different products. You'll be like, right? How do you deliver content? How do you attract people with content for 10 different products? I mean, you could technically, if all the products were in the same sort of the same vertical, as you say, like, it's like if it was all the same thing. But generally, you want to attract them to one. You want to get that one main program. So the first thing you do is you provide content that basically explains to people. So think about this. So you explain, you give people information so that you can then tell them that they need your product to go forward with the information that they're consuming. Does that make sense? It's not hard. It's once you kind of understand it. Like right now, I'm telling you ways to make money online, right? So later on in this video, and you're gonna stick around to the end. Make sure you subscribe, by the way. I'm going to give you a call to action, which will be to say to go to do this if you want to do what I'm doing and make money online. That's basically will be the call to action. But what I'm doing is I'm giving you sort of the blueprint prior to you giving you that call to action. So number one, you want to create content. You need to create some content that's going to attract people, and whether it's a video or whether it's a basically a blog. You could do those are the two things. Pinterest apparently is really good. My business partner, he's really good with Pinterest. He drives like tons of traffic to his weight loss website. I'm still don't get it. You know, Facebook is really good, but creating content on Facebook is hard because it's fleeting, right? When you create Facebook on a website, and then that product, that content stays there, and it actually grows. If you have a really well done website, well, that content can grow and grow and grow in popularity. So you want to make sure that you're adding to it, and you're adding more content, and you've got a website that's done right. And I'm going to get into that in the next few weeks. I'm going to be going over like some really basics of how to do a website, how to set it up right, how to start writing reviews, how to start writing content, depending on what you're targeting. So stick around, make sure you subscribe so you get those videos. So the second part is collecting an email. This is the most important thing. When you send them to an offer, you need to collect an email, because it's proven people don't buy on the first touch. They usually buy on the 6th or 7th touch. So you want to be able to basically say, here's some content, blah, 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 right? And for better results, you need XYZ. So go get XYZ. And then, by the way, there's a link below for XYZ. They click on that link for XYZ. They say, great, put in your email here and we'll take you to XYZ. Right? So you've collected that email. Now, what you're going to do, they're going to go, like if you just send them to XYZ, you can't reconnect with them, right? They're gone. They're you don't know what you don't know. You don't know if you're missing out. You don't know, because they're just gone. So you want to get that email, and then what you're going to do is you're going to target them for the next Depends. I've got well, the links below, you'll see you can join them, and you don't have to spend any money. You can just check them out, and you'll see that the emails go on. So one of them is 43 emails long, so it goes on for 43 days, I think. And in that time, I'm also going to be sending other emails of other products that I want to sell. So the first thing is create content. The second step is collect an email, and the third step, then you send them to the offer, what they're looking for. Now, a really cool, this is what the pros do. This is what will make you, this is the bonus. This is the bonus action. In between that step where they give an email and you send them to that product, you put yourself, and this is where, guys, if you don't like doing videos, you could just put a page telling, why they're going on to this next page, right? Excuse me. And what that does is it creates you as an authority figure, so that when you're sending them an email, the next email that's going to come to them, the next contact that they're going to get from you, they already know that you're an authority, right? Because they've seen your content and they go, yeah, that's yeah, Glenn's right. That's what I need. Click. Oh yeah, here's my email. And then you get a video of me saying, hey, thanks for putting in your email. You're just seconds away from getting exactly what you want. Just click the button below and I'll see you on the other side. Now they're like, oh, cool. Now they go, especially when you're doing affiliate, now they're going to be taken to another offer where I'm actually not in the picture anymore. But because I set it up like I'm involved in it, I am an authority and they're going to remember me. I've joined programs, guys. I don't know who my upline is. I have no idea. I like, it's like, okay, right? Just no idea. So I don't know, and some of them are great programs I've been in for years, and I don't know when they send me something else if I'm like, are you my upline? I don't know. So it's really good to create that authority, because you're going to have an easier time selling them other products. So those are the three things, guys. Stick around. Make sure you subscribe, because I am going to get into how you're going to build this website asset. And I recommend actually having more than one. You will want to have multiple ones. It's just really good Google juice. And what's going to happen is, as your business grows, especially if you're gung-ho and you're putting 6-8 hours a day into it, you're going to grow your business really fast. You're going to want other assets, because there's some stuff that you're going to go, oh, I want to promote that, but it's not really congruent with this website, but I could do another website that's more congruent with that offer. And then you have two, and that's really important stuff. So guys, again, here's the call to action. Go down and check out the link below. You'll see exactly what I'm talking about. It's my #1 recommended business to training to learn exactly how to do this business. And as a bonus, I'll throw in the one that has the 43 emails. And guys, here's a little tip. You don't have to join that program if you don't want to. It's a great program, pays very well. Just go collect all the emails that you're going to get and put them in a text file. So sign up, right? And then start getting the emails. And every time you get an email from me, copy and paste it and put it into a text file, and go day 1, day 2, day 3. You will have a entire email sequence at the end of that for free. And you don't have to join the program if you don't want to. You might look at it and go, nah, that's not for me. That's not what I want to be doing. So, although if you're watching this video, it's probably exactly what you want to be doing. So, all right, guys, hopefully there's no more sickness in my house. My daughter was on the floor all day. We steam cleaned their entire room because, man, it was crazy. And they're all sleeping in a room that's been totally steam cleaned and everything. We have a bunch of carpet. We've been thinking about getting a steam cleaner for a long time now, and we're just like, oh, well, I guess this is what happens. All right, guys, have a great night. Thank you, all my new subscribers. Sorry I was away for a few days. We have had a household of illness, and it's not always easy. And this is life, guys. This is life. But the cool thing is, I work from home, so I'm here to be able to look after my family when we do get sick. And that's what's the most valuable thing to me, is that time freedom to be able to do that. All right, guys, have a great night. Cheers.